Hey guys, this is Andrew from Hindustan University. I'm pursuing my BTech Mechatronics second year. I've been hearing the word artificial intelligence since a very long time, and in recent times I've heard about the word machine learning also. But then I didn't really know that I would learn such things in a very short amount of time by coming to this workshop. It was really a very good experience coming around these people. I got to know about a lot of things, not only in the technical side, but also how to like survive in the like professional background. And Saravanan sir and all the other trainers helped us a lot. They guided us throughout the day. And among these 4 days, I really enjoyed each and every day. From the beginning, they taught us the basics of Python, and after that, we started getting into machine learning. Uh, but during the beginning phase of the workshop, I thought that I won't be able to completely grasp all the concepts. But then all the trainers, they guided us throughout the workshop. They gave us enough knowledge. Even I'm quite curious about knowing each and everything. So they were not hesitant. They came up. They explained each and everything. They clarified all our doubts, and it was a very good experience. Further, I think our trainers will help us with more working on many other projects. And thank you so much for this.